Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into YouTube on a TV using your phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are a couple different options that you have. One option is if you're just visiting somewhere like an Airbnb, you might not want to fully log into your YouTube account because then you might forget to log back out and then you just have some random TV that's logged in. So one option is just to temporarily share those videos onto the TV and watch them. Or the second option, if it's your TV, I'll show you how to fully log in. Now, let's say on your iPhone, Android, or whatever phone or device you have, you can always open up YouTube, and at the top right, there's that cast icon. I can tap on that, and it says allow YouTube to find devices. Let's hit allow. And just like that, it will start searching for devices that I can cast. You can see on here, I can choose link with TV code. Essentially, all I need to do is says how to get the TV code. Open the YouTube app on that TV device, go to settings and scroll down and go to link with TV code. Now you're going to do that on the TV itself. And then from here on your phone, you're just going to enter in that code. Now, if you don't see that or that doesn't work for you, you can always just open up a web browser on your phone and go to YouTube Activate Code. And then just go to YouTube Activate. It says connect a device, enter the code that's displayed on that device. Essentially, this will help you log in from your phone, iPhone or Android, over to that other device so that you can start watching all of those videos and link up your exact same accounts. Now, another option you have is, let's say I wanted to watch this video. I'm going to hit the pause button. After I've done that, after I'm in that video, I can hit the cast button again, and I can choose instead to hit AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. You can see in this case, I could choose to just AirPlay it to that TV as long as my iPhone or Android and that TV is on the same Wi-Fi network. So by doing so, essentially I'm taking the video on my phone that's playing and I'm just streaming it to that TV. I'm not actually signing into that TV. This is a good option is if you're in an Airbnb or somewhere temporary and you don't want to fully sign in and have to remember to sign out before you just leave and you're basically logged in on that random TV for forever, or unless you go in and remove the device. So this is another great option is if you're in somewhere temporary, you can always just choose to AirPlay it through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.